So this is the one in the clear one is your secret character. Mine is this one.
Okay. Don't tell Alec. Don't
And then
tell him,
Alex
don't look.
is in this one. And I cannot see.
So you have to cover when you ask the question. Don't have to explain it, Delaney.
It can only be yes or no. That's how it works. So we're going to get right into it after Alex
All
is
right.
done.
Rock, paper, scissors. No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alec won. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alec wins.
Ask Alec.
Does your character have black shorts?
No.
All right, then you're gonna close the ones that have black shorts. What about that? All right, Delaney's turn.
Is your character a living thing?
Yes.
So it's alive?
Yes, it's alive. Is this alive? Oh, yeah, that's alive. But you have good questions, Dee. I like that. You ask Alec. Come on.
Does your character,
Well, I have a good one.
does your character have something in your hand?
No. Ask what kind.
Is your character a doctor?
No, not yet. You don't ask
Say,
yet.
is your character holding a red thing? Say, because they have red. So it's red. See, is your character holding a red thing?
No.
Ask.
No.
No, ask Delaney. Is your character holding a red thing?
Is your character holding a red
No.
thing?
All right. So all these red things that they're holding, you're gonna close them.
The cup, the hot dog,
So see.
the like caney thing.
Yeah. See. Red. They're holding red, so you're closing that. All right. Delaney's turn.
Is there like something covering their eyes or like something on their eyes?
Is there something on the eyes, Alec?
Like it could be the goggles. It
Right.
could be
Is there something on the
like
eyes?
the helmet part or like
Tell Delaney.
glasses?
No.
No.
There's no. Okay. Yay! I had a good one. A lot of these.
All right. Ask Delaney if it's what.
Laney,
Are these things? Is your character a?
is your character a person or is not a
No,
person?
no, don't. Yes or no. So is your character a person? So you stop right there.
Laney, is your character a person?
Yes, it is a person.
So you're gonna do what?
Things that are not a person.
Is
down
this
the
a
middle.
person?
No.
All right. What else is not a person in there? Good job. What do you think Delaney's character is?
Ooh.
The fireman.
Hey, not yet.
Does your character have a hat on?
No.
No hats. At least I get a close on too.
Ask Alec. This one.
Does
Wearing.
Laney, does your character have white shorts?
I think we know. Don't tell Delaney. I think we know. Alrighty. We only have one left.
Is your character a girl?
Is that a girl?
No.
No, wait, I want to guess.
No. That's the next one. So guess now, Alex. I want to guess now.
Laney,
I want to guess now.
I want to guess now. Laney, is your character a mechanic?
Yes.
Let's see. 3-4-0. Congratulations. Alec won.
That's one out of one.
3 out of 0. That's it for right now. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Hope you
Let's
enjoy.
just play